Hi, I am Soon Kai Po, the current postgraduate fellow in the Cultures of Conservation initiative here at the Bard Graduate Center. I'm holding in my hands a reproduction that I made of a painting by 14th century Italian painter Guariento di Arpo. I created this reproduction as part of coursework while training to be a conservator, as a way to put into practice our understanding of historical techniques of making. I was interested in what it would be like to reimagine faded colors on artwork. In the original painting, the Madonna's veil has faded and now appears almost cream-colored. Here I've recreated it in a reddish-purple hue, probably closer to what it originally was. Although it is challenging and can be beset with controversy, the work of a conservator often involves the reimagination of things, having to envision the history of things in order to care for them into the future. Being able to do so with skill and humility is the conservator's craft.